everyone, John Bruno here, and this is a new segment we're going to feature. Hopefully if this goes well, we get a lot of views, we can do this on some other products. It's called Out of the Box, and we're going to open and review new products from the fiber optic industry. And right now, Out of the Box is going to present the new FIS handheld tool bag and toolkit. So maybe some of you are familiar with the old school hard cases. We sold millions of these over the years. These kits, they tend to be a little bulky. You know, they don't fit well in places, hard to carry around. You know, and this has been a staple for years. So from what I understand, Steve Ermacor, who's a product line manager here at FIS, and this was part of his product line development, he came up with a new kit. And I was told about this kit, and I haven't seen it yet. And from what I understand, I got a spec sheet on the kit, and this is a great time to talk about this. Literally this week, 2 days ago, we got our brand new catalog. So if you guys look for the new catalog, you can see we have this green color version and we have a yellow. So this is both the same catalog, just a couple different covers. First time we've ever done that. So I'm going to be a critic here and see how Steve did on this tool bag, right? So I've got it right here. Let's check it out. So I like the open style here. First observation, it looks like there's a couple hooks here, so I'm kind of hoping that there's a strap that we can use with this. I don't see one right off the bat, but let's check this out. What do we got in here? This is a nice toolkit. I see on the side we got a Greenlee tape measure. These are nice. This is a smart idea. I use these for fish hooks and things when I'm fishing, but I always like to take this with me on a job site and put all the different adapters I might need. ST to ST or FC to SC, all the different hybrids. This is a good idea here. Put some connectors here if I needed to. What else? We've got a sharps container and some, you know, your common everyday stuff, your cleaning fluid with some wipes. Oh, okay, so it's loaded with some tools. What do we got? 3-hole stripper, always essential, always good. We've got a pair of needle nose and side cutting dikes. I like this. Oh, here we go. The MSAT 5, the jacket stripper here. Good handy little tool. I like that. I like how they've also addressed the cleaning aspect. Not only do we have the cleaning materials there, but I can see we have our wrap swabs for 2.5 mil and 1.25 mil. Nice feature there. Another good feature. I'm a big one-click cleaner guy. So we've got a 2.5 mil cleaner for your STs, SCs, and FCs. LC 1.25 cleaner. That's nice. I see a little connector cleaner. Oh, always essential, your VFLs. Did he put batteries? He did put batteries. The one feature I would like to see though is this is set up for 2.5 millimeters. Oh, well, he thought of that too. We have an adapter here. So instead of having to buy a separate one or use a cable to go to LCs, we have a little adapter, and this will plug right in, and it'll convert this over to an LC VFL. Very good. I almost had to criticize him on that, but he did a good job there. Some jacket strippers, round cable cutter. Oh, screwdriver. That's always essential. 1/2-inch nut driver for our boxes. Okay, we've got utility knife. I like this. Here's something new too. This is a new jacket stripper that came out from Ripley. I kind of like this one here. It actually, again, it's Miller Ripley. You put your fiber in here and you give her a spin. I've just started using this, and it's actually an excellent buffer tube cutter for like loose tube cables. I like it. Now I know, got some safety glasses. I see we have some pouches. Oh, very nice. The ACS Armored Cable Cutter. This is an excellent, very popular product. Little flashlight. Oh, that's always essential. We've got our D-Gel Icky Clean Remover here. Nice kit. You know, it looks like we can maybe add stuff to this. I know a lot of our other kits you can add and subtract tools, and I'm sure this would be one of the ones that you would do that to. I like this, and let's get Steve. Steve's the product line manager on this. All right, guys, took a little bit of time, but we got Steve Ermacor here. I'm calling him in. Steve's our product line manager for this product, and instead of just looking at this, I thought I'd get the guy that developed it in here and ask some questions. Steve, I like it. I like the case itself.
Thank you.
one question. So I see that there's loops here. Why didn't we include a carry case, or I'm sorry, a strap here?
Oh, there is one, John. It's right here in your side pouch. You checking here?
No. All right.
Shoulder strap included, and also a nice little feature, John. I don't know if you spoke about this, but this hook here, this is essential. I don't have one with me, but if you have a launch cable, put your launch cable right here.
I got you. So we do have a shoulder strap. I got you. Adjustable. Yeah, my bad. So I had originally said also that, you know, there's some essential tools, some good tools. The MSAT, the ACS, the cable stripper. Can we modify this kit?
Absolutely. It's just like any other FIS toolkit. You start with your basic and you can build from there.
Yeah, I figured as much. So what is this? I think I looked this up. I think it's around page 128. I didn't spend much time.
128. Yep. Brand new, right on the top of the page. Just added here.
Okay. So to let everyone know, what's included here with the bag and everything is list price $697.50. You know what I didn't notice is there's other parts. Well, what are these 3 other parts here?
So if you have
the same thing, right?
No, they're slightly different. So after, again, this is your base kit right here. You can build off of this. We have another version of this kit here that also includes the Miller flat drop cable slitter.
But I see 2 others.
So, yep, so after this, the OSP, now once you have everything installed, what you want to do, you want to do your test and inspection. So, in addition to this basic kit, you can get this kit along with the FIS E-Series power meter and light source in a single mode or multi-mode version, and it also includes the FIS Mini 200X inspection scope.
That was, you know what, I didn't mention it earlier, but I was looking for a microscope. I like how this is the first kit I think we've had with our pencil.
The construction pencil?
Yeah, I've worked with some people like an unsharpened pencil.
They're useless.
Useless. And how many times have we used our
utility knife every day? Oh, there you go.
Sharpen it up. You know, those are from some carpentry jobs I've done in the past. So what about, so it comes with the power meter light source. You can do single or multi?
Single or multi-mode.
What about reference cords though?
Reference cords will come with your appropriate ones. For your single mode, you'll get your single mode reference cords. For the multi-mode version, you're going to get an OM1 and an OM3 along with the mandrels for correct testing. So, and some adapters, I would assume?
Adapters, yep. So we can, I like this here, that we can put the adapters in. Yeah, I like it, Steve. This is our first out of the box, so I went with an FIS product. Like you said, though, we can switch tools in and out of this.
Yeah, absolutely. If the customer needs specific tools in there, we can take these out. We can add other tools. We can build them custom to your company and what your needs are.
Well, you know, I like it, Steve. I thought you did a great job on it. What we'll do is, why don't we show the people, I mean, as an added bonus, this flat drop cutter. Okay, we're back, guys. I wanted to talk about this Miller flat drop stripper. Steve, we've got some flat drop here, right? This is how many fiber?
2 fiber.
2 fiber, single mode, gel filled, OSP. Yeah, so this, like I mentioned before, I've used this in a training that I did. One of the hardest parts is to figure out how to open it. Once you figure out that there's little tabs and you just pop it open. And what you'll see in here is an Allen wrench, and that's to allow us to replace the blades. It comes with 2 blades. You can see in here the blades. What's nice about it is the blade has 2 sides, and you can see there's a blade on top, or on the bottom, whatever side, and the top, and this will cut each side of that flat drop. What's nice, again, it's 2-sided, so if you wear the one side out, spin it around before you grab another blade. We have blades available?
Yep, replacement blades are available. I believe they're only $8.95 for a pack of them if you need them.
Okay, so this is so easy. I remember the first time I ever used this, before the training, I was trying to get some expertise on the product, and I did. I said, boy, it doesn't cut, it isn't working. And I realized it did. It was just so slick. You didn't even see the cut until you went to take it apart. So what's nice about it too is it has a little arrow, so it shows you the direction that you pull, and basically you just put it on the flat drop like this, easy peasy, go in the direction of the arrow. You can see you got a little bit of debris there, and I thought, like I said, the first time I did this, it didn't work, and then to my surprise, they came over here and look at this. Opened it right up. Slick little tool. Probably the best cable splitter for flat drop I've used. Agree?
I think so.
Yeah, this is a great one, and super smart that you added it to the kit. We can add it to the kit, and you can split your flat drop. How easy was that? So great tool, great. I liked what you did here for our first out of the box. You know,
yep.
And guys, I hope if you like this video, maybe we can do some more stuff. And we won't just use FIS products. We'll do everybody else's products. Do some evaluation, some honest evaluation. So thanks again, everybody,
John,
for being
real
here.
quick.
Yeah?
You got to throw it in there too, guys. For the month of April, because these are brand new, so for the first month of the product, we are offering 5% off of the list price of all 4 of these kits. You can get them on the website, or you can call your sales rep and they will take care of you.
Yeah, so you're thinking if this is 5%, that's a pretty decent savings right there. Yeah, give us a call if you want a kit like this, if you want to modify it, anything you want. So thanks again, and I hope I can do some more of these, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.
Check out our channel and hit the subscribe button for new videos.